This is the Bullock cut, a traditional Malay transportation. It takes a total of 3 months to complete just one cut. Interested to know more how to make it? Let's have an overview of the process of the Bullock cut making.
Start with the wheel. First, for the axis of the wheel, a block of a tembusu tree trunk is shaped according to the desired shape like this. The shaped block is reinforced with metal rings and with holes to hold the spokes of the wheel. The spokes would then be inserted one by one into the axis before having its rim placed. Then construct the axle, which is a structure that is being placed below the cut in order to support it. The construction is followed by making the yoke for the bulls to be tied. The brake will be built by placing a log near the wheels. The construction is continued by making the body of the cart for people to sit as well as to carry items. And finally, the roof, which takes 1 week to complete, will be built. It is made up of a type of leaf called rumbia, which will be placed on top of the roof frame made up of a bamboo strip and a type of wood called kalat. This is how the final product would look like once these different parts are combined together. Here is the complete sketch of the traditional Bullock cut. Finally, you could attach the bulls and ride the Bullock cut. Want to know more? Now, let's watch how our friends learn in more details on how to make them. The wheel basically has 3 components. Firstly, the axis. It is made of block of tembusu tree trunk, which is shaped in such way that the completed axis is reinforced with metal rings and also holes to hold the spokes of the wheel. Secondly, the spokes. There are 14 spokes altogether, representing the 14 Malaysian states. The spokes are made of reset wood. Thirdly, the wheelbase. It is made of several blocks of reset wood which are attached together to form a circular shape around the 14 spokes. They are combined by inserting another block of wood in between. On the outcome layer, a circular reddish iron metal is attached to the wooden wheel base by using nails. This iron metal has been burnt for 4 hours beforehand. Now, let's move to the second structure, the body. The reset wood is also used for the body structure. The surface of the woods will be smoothened first. Then, in order to make holes on a wood for the base of the body, measurements between each hole will be taken first by using a tool called jangka. Using the tangent concept, pieces of wood are attached by having them being hammered into the holes of a base structure rather than by nailing them, as nails would get rusty. Now, the final part of the cart, the roof. Firstly, a type of long leaf called rumbia is obtained to be used to provide the shade of the roof. Then, the frame of the roof is constructed using bamboo strips, and a type of wood called kalat are used as the frame. The kalat woods are first burned to make it easier to bend them. The woods would be attached together by simply twisting metal wire around the roots. Next, few layers of the rumbia leaf will be stacked together and secured to the roof frame using metal wire again. The process will be repeated until the frame is completely covered by the rumbia leaf. Overall, it takes 1 week to complete the whole part of the roof.